Hello guys, here we are again. Here we have Fujitsu. Yeah, but anyway, it's Fujitsu. That's how Chinese people are calling it. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's see what is wrong with this nice baby. Okay, it's not turning on. Right. Let's plug in the charger. Okay. Let's press the power button. Oh, okay. Let's turn on the power supply. Okay, something is taking power. It's charging the battery, guys. Hey, okay. Press the power button. Look at this. Okay. Oh, guys, come on. Okay, it's not turning on. But there is a light, yeah, here. But it's not turning on anyway, guys.
Okay, now you're working.
Okay, anyway, it's dead. It's not turning on. Let's go inside. Let's have a look.
Why is this everything?
Okay. No, it's just yeah, it's just fucked, so nothing I can do there. We can't fix everything. Even the doctors, how many people die in hospitals? How many? Even the police, they can't catch all the thieves. No, it's serious. It's common sense. You see.
This one number days is like tomorrow or Saturday.
Yep. But he would come. I know Kuru. He lives here, so here in Maastricht, near Maastricht. So yeah, I know his shop. It's around there. So besides, he comes here to town, moving around. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm in a competition here. Francois told me that if I repair all this PC within an hour, there will be a reward.
That's fine, I'll give you the reward. Not me because I'm sitting here.
Okay.
Supervisor. I'll get a supervisor.
Okay, let's remove some RAMs. Everything. And this i3 is removable. Imagine i3 removable. Nice.
Nice.
No, serious. I prefer CPUs that are removable, but nowadays they're no longer making such laptops. Yeah, it's built in now. It's built in.
Especially Asus. Is that an Asus?
No, it's a Fujitsu.
Fuji.
A Fuji. Oh, okay. But anyway, guys, me, I'm against this thing. Building such CPUs. On board. No. It's our right. We should upgrade. You see. See, Intel they release i9. Only few would be able to upgrade this because all these latest laptops, you see. Okay, guys, and there it is. We do have a board now. Let's check for the 19 volts. Let's start with the 19 volts. Okay, so you connect your power supply. take your multimeter and put it to volts DC mode, turn on your power supply, and then you connect one probe. It can be any probe, positive or ground. It can be any probe, but you put ground to ground, and then there we are. Let's start. We're getting 20 volts. Let's check the current center. We have the 20 volts, and this is the first MOSFET. Let's check the output of the first MOSFET. We do have 20 volts. You follow the rail, it goes here and it passes through this capacitor. We do have 20 volts. After that, the input 20 volts and the output is 0 volts. Okay, the output is 0 volts. Anyway, I want to be sure that I'm dealing with the correct thing. Let's just go online. Now we're going online. This is how we go online. Okay, let's type the port number. The port number is DA. DA is 0 F H 2 MP 6E. Yeah, run this one schematic. Okay. Alright, let's go to bed capacitor, and then here we are. We have the schematic. Let's download the schematic. Okay, let's download the schematic. Okay, we have the schematic. Let's open it with Adobe Reader. And one more thing before I can exit the bed cap, let's check how many people have downloaded my book on the bed capacitor. Okay, let's scroll down and let's check mix. Okay, not on page 1. Let's check page 2. Okay. Okay, here I am on page 2. Let's check the number of people. It's 234. It's going. Oh, nice. Anyway, let's continue, guys. Let's search for the first MOSFET, of which I said it's PQ33. I want to check PQ33, the first MOSFET, PQ33. Enter. I'm searching for PQ33. Check the PQ33 here, is it? Okay, where is it? Is it here? Then it can't be, guys. This means I have the wrong schematic. It can't be. Okay, let me just. No. This is impossible. PQ33, guys, we have a wrong schematic here. It shouldn't be. PQ33 is the first MOSFET. It shouldn't be is a power supply. It's not a power supply. Okay, you know what? Let's just go to Alicella. It's simple.
The guys started stealing from me. He started stripping laptops, parts went missing. Parts started going missing. He took some part from the motherboard. Yeah.
Okay, let's download the schematic. Okay. Okay, download. How? I'm gonna mess here. Okay, but let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's repeat the same process. Let's find PQ data 3 again. PQ data 3 and then enter. Oh yeah, guys, as I was saying, oh yeah, Nick, please. Guys, as I was saying, this MOSFET shouldn't be a power supply, meaning that one was wrong. This is the correct one. PQ data 3 is the it's not even the first MOSFET, but yeah, it's the first MOSFET. Again, I'm worried about one thing. Where is PQ2? Where is PQ2? Okay, let me check PQ2. PQ2. Damn, PQ2 is a double MOSFET. Huh? Okay, anyway. Okay, anyway, if we do have the 19 volts, but why the board is not working? Why the machine is not turning on? Okay, because we do have the schematic, we do have the 19 volts from the inputs, and we do have the 19 volts from the output. Okay. Okay, let's check for the 3.3 volts. Let's go back. Let's remove everything. We need to check the 3.3 volts. Okay, guys, we do have a board. Now, let's check for the 3.3. Let's check for the 3.3. Let's check for the 3.3. The 3.3. Let's check for the 3.3 and the 5 volts. Okay, here. Let's zoom in. Let's look for PL10 or PL8. PL10 or PL8. They're responsible for the 3.3 volts. Okay, I do have PL10 and I do have PL8. Okay, this is PL10 and this is PL8. Just check here on the schematic. This is PL10 and then this is PL8. PL10 here and then PL8 here. They are both responsible for 3.3 and the other one is the 5 volts. So this is it. So what do we need now? we need a DC inject cable. Oh, okay. Do have a DC inject, but let's check for shorts. Okay, before we even continue, let's check for shorts. Check for shorts. No shorts. Okay, no shorts. No shorts. No shorts. Okay, guys, there's nothing shorted here. The 3.3 and the 5 volts are okay, but let's see. Let's 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 put the thing 20 volts and see if we do get the 3.3 and the 5 volts. Let's check. As you can see, we do have the 5 volts. What about the 3 volts? And we do get the 3.3 volts. And the question is why the PC is not turning on. Okay. How do we connect the power button? I need to check. Okay, there it is. Okay. I know what to do. Okay. Pin number 1, let's check for 3.3. 0, 0. We do have the 3.3. We do have the 3.3. Now, to tell if the PC is working or not, we need a fan. Let's plug in the 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 fan. Who? Sensor. Sure, there's no sensor there. Okay. Okay, so what I will do here, let's short the 3.3 with the ground, and the PC should turn on. Okay, by doing that, the PC should turn on. Not turning on. Not turning on. Okay, guys, the PC is not turning on. Okay, I'm trying to show it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
You got perfect details procedure. This one?
No, that one. I think let's just put back everything there. The cover, activity ROM. Yeah, let's just put back everything. Yeah. Okay, guys. We do have the 5 volts. We do have the 3.3 volts, but the PC is not turning on. Whew. Whew. The PC is not turning on, guys.
Like you complaining.
This is so sad, eh?
That's what she said.
Yeah, I'm telling you guys. Oh, okay. Let's let's just do a basic stuff. Let's remove the CMOS battery and short the CMOS battery. We'll never know, guys. Let's just do a basic stuff. Let's short it for 30 seconds.
Alright, where is everything for this PC?
Remember, you'll have to check one by one. There, I'm telling you. Even the keyboard, everything. Ah, ah, ah. We need a pack. Check here in this thing, in this brown plastic. Okay, guys. Let's do it again. Let's come. Okay, let's short these pins. Okay, let's check for some volts. 0, 0, 3.3, 3.3. Whoo! It's turned on. You saw it, right?
No.
Okay. Serious.
Yeah, these are real brackets.
Okay, guys, it's on now. It's turning on. No worries, no issues. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's no RAM here. No, I didn't do a single thing here. I'm still checking everything one by one. 1 gig. Okay, let's put 1 gig. And let's check a display. I mean a screen. Okay. Guys, let's check if we do get a display. Okay. This is a very old. Okay, so here we are. Here we are. Where's my prop? I was using my power supply prop to turn it on. Okay, wait. I have to make sure that nothing is touching here. Okay. Okay, here we go. How? Okay, guys, it's on. We will get a display just now. Second 1 amp, 0.9. What about the display? Okay, it's turning on again. 1 amp, 1.20, 1.30. Cara. Okay. Anyway, guys, let me explain what I did here. I didn't do a single thing.